Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, the 15th of September, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we need to complete the test corrections for Chapter 1. Also, if you did not get the simplifying tips copied into your journal, you will need to do that as well, as that was last night's homework. Accelerated math, we've got an assignment called 2.5 where we're multiplying decimals. In science, there is no homework. However, in accelerated science, you do have a density video as well as notes. Social studies, there is no homework this evening. In language arts, we've got a writer's notebook, Chapter 5 entry. Remember, you are going through, and your directions are you need to find a picture of an animal, and you're going to write 3 sentences about that animal. The first one is a simile. All right, we're comparing two things using like or as. The second thing is you're going to write a metaphor, and that is comparing two things without using like or as. And the third one is a bonus metaphor. In accelerated language arts, we've got our precise nouns number 1. In literature, a few things that are coming up is we have our note cards on figurative language. Those are due Wednesday at the start of the class. You need to have the 7 terms and also have this written into your journal. All right, for AR, our AR goal due date is October 9th. That is coming up very, very quickly. I believe that's going to be about, 3 weeks from this Friday. So it's important that we are reading and taking AR tests. Also, you received today in class a packet of vocab terms for the book Seed Folks. We're going to start next week. You have 33 terms where you need to find their definition on dictionary.com and match them up with the correct term. And those will be due on Thursday. In Careers in Life, there is no homework tonight. And in FCS 6, there is none unless you are finished your work, or if you're finishing your work from the last 2 days. That's it for this Tuesday. Everyone have a fantastic evening.